Today I am reviewing the ViprTech Reaper 2.0 liquid-cooled PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ViprTech Reaper 2.0 liquid-cooled gaming PC is an absolute beast of a desktop that delivers incredible performance, gorgeous aesthetics, and a kind of future-ready hardware that will satisfy even the most demanding gamers and content creators. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 700F processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base clock of 4.1 GHz and a turbo boost up to 5.0 GHz. This is an extremely capable CPU, perfect for high-performance gaming, heavy multitasking, and demanding workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming. Paired with it is NVIDIA's RTX 4060 Ti graphics card, but not the standard 8GB version. This powerhouse comes with the upgraded 16GB model. That extra VRAM means you're ready for high-resolution textures, modern AAA games on ultra settings, and smooth performance in VR applications without breaking a sweat. Memory is another highlight here, and ViprTech hasn't cut any corners. You're getting a massive 32GB of blisteringly fast DDR5 RAM running at 6,400 MHz. That speed, combined with the capacity, ensures that your system will handle intensive multitasking, massive open-world games, and heavy editing workloads with ease. Storage is equally impressive. A lightning-fast 1TB NVMe solid-state drive for your operating system, games, and creative projects. This isn't just fast, it's up to 30 times quicker than a traditional hard drive, meaning boot times, file transfers, and game loading screens will be almost instant. And if you ever need more storage, the system is easily upgradable, giving you plenty of flexibility for the future. Cooling is handled by a beautiful 240mm RGB liquid cooler, which not only keeps your CPU temperatures low during intense gaming sessions, but also adds a stunning visual touch to your build. Paired with a sleek, RGB lit case that showcases the powerful components inside, this PC doesn't just perform, it makes a statement on your desk. The lighting can be controlled easily with a button on the case, allowing you to customize your setup's vibe to match your mood or your game. Power delivery comes from a 600-watt gold-rated power supply, ensuring reliable, efficient, and stable performance while also keeping power waste to a minimum. This efficiency is especially important if you're running your system for long gaming marathons, video rendering sessions, or streaming for hours on end. And with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you're ready to go straight out of the box with access to the latest features, optimizations, and gaming enhancements Microsoft has to offer. When it comes to real-world performance, the ViprTech Reaper 2.0 is built to crush modern games in 1080p and 1440p at ultra settings, and it's more than capable of 4K gaming with high frame rates in many titles. It's also VR ready, so if you're in a virtual reality, you can expect smooth, immersive experiences without stuttering or lag. For streamers and content creators, this PC has the horsepower to run your games and streaming software simultaneously, handle live encoding, and keep your broadcasts smooth and professional. One of the best aspects of ViprTech is their dedication to quality. Each PC is hand-built in the USA, and every system goes through extensive stress testing before it's shipped to you. That means your machine arrives fully optimized and ready to perform. And if you ever run into an issue, you're covered by a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with your investment. Whether you're a competitive gamer looking for high FPS, a creative professional who needs a reliable workstation, or just someone who wants a stunning and powerful desktop that will stay relevant for years to come, the ViprTech Reaper 2.0 delivers in every category. It's fast, it's future-proof, and it looks absolutely amazing while doing it. This is a gaming PC that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them, making it one of the most compelling choices for anyone looking to level up their setup.